Yo, 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 yo. Man, what's happening? Well, good morning, good morning. Hey, man. We, good Saturday morning, man. We headed to the barber shop. This dude got a green light. He just sitting there. Supposed to be paying attention, boy. How I'm vlogging and paying attention. But anyway, man. Good Saturday morning, man. Still be rolling. Head to this barber shop, man. I think, man, when I get out the barber shop, man, I think I got a little work to do. It's overdue. Way overdue. Y'all heard that? Hold on. Right. Y'all heard that? Little bouncing noise, little popping noise, man. So, for one, this car needs some new rotors on the back. Because I don't know how, but the rotors they seem like they warped. I don't know. But that's not what the popping noise is. The popping noise is the shocks. Y'all remember I showed y'all them shocks that I bought for the Redbird? So, that's what I think I'm gonna be doing today. I think I'm gonna go ahead, throw them shocks on, because, yeah, I'm tired of this car riding rough. And really the only reason why I hadn't thrown them on, because I thought it was gonna be hard to do. But I think it'll be straight. So I'm gonna try my hand at that. If not, you know what I'm saying, if I can't get them done by myself, I have to call my dog Kane, man. I know Kane, he gonna come through there and get it done. Well, I ain't really worried about that, because it's just one thing that I'm probably needing for, and that's just to hold it while I'm trying to loosen it or tighten it. But hopefully I can, you know what I'm saying, give me some vice grips or something and do that, and everything will be okay. So, that being said, man, let me go ahead, get up in this barber shop, and I hit y'all when I come out, man. Oh yeah, y'all know what's going on. Y'all know I got it on, man. You know what I'm saying? Yes sir, yes sir. Yeah, man, I ain't show y'all that before. Y'all know how I be coming though, man. Y'all see that after though. Yeah. I see that good old after. Hit up, man. Hit up like the gang. But yeah, man, I'm finna head to the house. And I'm finna, man, take all this stuff apart, I guess, to see if I can even do these shocks, man. Cause if it's something I can't do, then I ain't gonna worry about it. But yeah. Gonna do that. Man, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I'm gonna go do that, man, and yeah, get my day started, man. See what the day holds for me. I have no idea. I ain't lying to you. I ain't got nothing planned today. Sit back, do some editing, do some uploading. That's gonna be it. I have nothing planned today at all. Might run down on Memphis Mike now, man, today, being that I ain't they wasn't really there yesterday. So I might run down there, man. Get some little footage or whatnot. And yeah. Stop saying little footage, man. Get some big footage, man. You know what I'm saying? Big BeeloNation, man. But yeah. Run to the crib. Also, man, y'all seen I had it on, man. So y'all check out the site, man. BeeloNation.creator-spring.com, man. Y'all check it out, man. We're gonna rock with that, man, until we can you know, start getting all the merch at the house. You know what I'm saying? So right now, this right here is convenient for me to have it on the site like that. But I really do want to have inventory at the house. You know what I'm saying? So that I can you know, get personable with y'all, man. Ship y'all stuff out myself. But yeah, let me get to this house, man. Hit y'all in a minute. Yo, man, y'all done caught me slipping, man. I'm out here without it on, man. I ain't got it on, man, cause I don't want to get it dirty, man. But yeah, man, I told y'all, man, we was gonna come out here, man, and try to deal with these shocks, man, on the Redbird, man, cause I'm tired of my car riding rough. All that good stuff right there. We got these shocks over here, which I'll get to those in a minute. But yeah, man, about to tackle this right quick. So, man, we got the little cargo clamps right here. Had to take them out. Had to take out them side pieces over there. The privacy visor, whatever you call it, for the trunk. Take all this out. And the shock tower, the shock is actually up here. It's up here, so you had to let the back seat down. It's up here. You know what I'm saying? It's a little foam piece off in there, just stick off in there. So I gotta pull this back, pull the carpet back to get to that. So hopefully, man, I don't need no help doing this. I'm finna try to go and knock this out real quick. I need to pull these out, cause that's why that thing won't stay down right. But yeah, about to get to work on this right here, man. Gotta clean some stuff out of here anyway. So finna go on, man, try to knock some of this out, see if I can get it done. If not, probably have to call somebody, man, see what's what. But yeah, let me go ahead and get to it, man. I'm gonna pull these shocks out in a minute, man. I'm gonna show y'all these shocks, what I got, and yeah. So this is a little foam piece I was talking about right here. Let's pull that out. There go your shock rope right there. Take that shock bolt off. Do the same thing on the other side. Let me see. Yep, y'all see that foam up under there? Do the same thing on the other side. And yeah. That's about it. See if I can get it out without any trouble. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully we be riding good. Yeah, so that's what we got, man. We got these Mayrose OES Spectrum, man. I ain't even never looked at them, opened them up and looked at them or nothing. I need to stop doing that. Hopefully they send me the right stuff though. Look like it. Hard, well. Something else down up in there? Oh yeah. This is for the top. This for the top right there. This right here for the bottom. So yes sir. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Anyway, but that's what we're working with, man. OES Spectrum shocks, man, from Mayrose. I got that bottom bolt out. Bottom bolt is out, and I'm waiting on Damon to get back here, man. He finna help me with this top, man. Cause this bolt right here, the whole thing is spinning. The stud spinning with the nut right there. The stud right here spinning with the nut, so I'm gonna go ahead, man, put some impact on it. I ain't got no 3/4 drive, 3/4 impact, so put the impact on there. Whoop, 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 whoop. That thing on the body there. Go back over with the other shock. I'm gonna be done for the day, man. Probably drink cold bills or something. Yes, sir. But yeah, let me get back to it, man. Yeah, man. So we got this side out. Got old Damon over there, man. Damon said, man, y'all talking all this top 5 about these box Chevy, man. Yeah, I better quit playing now. He said, keep running your mouth now. Keep on running your mouth. Nah, I'm lying. I'm always putting somebody in something. He ain't got nothing to do with that. But
it's all good.
Y'all remember?
He called that came.
Oh yeah.
Showed up right in time.
Oh yeah. So man, this shark over there out, bottom boat, the bottom boat's already off, so we trying to, you gotta look. I'll show y'all when I get them out, man. Hold on. Yeah, man. New things up in there. The old things over here on the grizzle. Rust buckets. Hopefully that solved my problem, cause yeah, shit was annoying. But it probably got, hell yeah, it did. Now I know this jump finna be a hot rod. It's finna be raked in the front. Cause it's finna be low. But yeah, man, it probably still gotta settle, but yeah, I ain't gonna worry about it. Man, I'm finna button everything back up, put everything back together. Probably finna start drinking me some beer, man. Even though I told my wife that I wasn't gonna be drinking beer like that, cause I'm trying to get rid of this stomach. But my dog came here and helped me, man, so I know I'm entitled to at least one beer. One beer, man. I ain't gonna, well, 2. Maybe 3. I don't know who's counting, but it's alright, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm finna button this back up. Hit y'all back. Yeah, man.
Yeah, he also, like, if you want to, you ain't want to do it, you can do it. Oh, so I ain't know you.
Oh, no, you good. Now, see, we got a little height, man. Got a little height. Thing stiff. That thing stiff, man. Man, somebody hit my car, bro. Right here on the wing back here.
Bagged into it.
Yup, somebody bagged into it, man. Knocked the fiberglass out this junk.
I'm surprised they ain't catch it.
You know what I'm saying? But see, that's how I know it was something up high that did it. You know what I'm saying? It was something up high that done it, cause I just seen it the other day. I was like, damn.
Back bumper of the truck.
But yeah, man, you know, I'm a ride, man. Let y'all see how I ride or whatever. Now we gotta worry about this front, man. I know that front finna rub everything. Now this junk finna look like a real hot rod race car going down the street. But yeah, man. Big shout out to my dog Damon, man. You know what I'm saying? He came through, helped me out, man. I got into the limo, which is still wasn't even hard. I just needed the impact, man. I really needed 2. It was a 2-man job with these shots, cause the shaft was turning with the top bolt. When he got over here, locked down on it, man, took the top bolt off, dropped him out, put him back in. It was over with. Man, less than 15 minutes, man, we had these junks in. For real. But yeah, man. I'm probably to wrap this junk up, man, with this video here, cause I don't know how long it is or none of that. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Y'all know how it go, man. Y'all gonna like, share, man, comment, subscribe, all that, man. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy BeeloNation, man. We up out of here.